Hi Shreyans, how are you, buddy?
Ma'am, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also good. I welcome you to Unacademy, our Tuesday toppers session. I hope you are enjoying the sessions of Unacademy.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Great. That is the reason rather you have here. That's nice. Shreyans, I'm really impressed the way you have managed to score so well in your sixth standard, right? Now you're in seventh.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. If I'm not wrong, you scored 91% in your sixth standard, right? So I'm
Yes,
really
ma'am.
impressed and want to understand how did you manage to get so well, so good marks, beta? Because in this pandemic, your school was also not working.
Yes,
Everything was
ma'am.
online.
Ma'am, first of all, when the marks came, I also got surprised at how much I can get because my SST was very poor last year. But when I gave the exam, I thought I'll get maximum 60 70 marks in out of 80. But when I checked the report card, it was 79 in 80.
Oh, in SST you got 79 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
So overall, you can say that particular subject helped you out to increase your overall percentage.
Yes, ma'am.
So see, subjects this which we generally ignore or you think that okay they are difficult, they help you to increase your overall percentage, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
And what about math, science, English, and languages?
Yes, ma'am. In maths, I got 79 out of 80.
Wow.
And in science, it was 76. English, it was 78. And in Hindi, I was just back. I thought it will be easy. I studied, but it gone to 61.
I guess the spelling mistakes
Yes, ma'am. Spelling mistakes only.
because it happens that for that it generally happens and again everything is going online so it must have been difficult also, right? Na? So how
No,
did
ma'am.
you
My
take
exams
exams?
held in offline.
Exams were offline.
Yes, ma'am.
So you used to go to school for exam or how it used to be there?
No, ma'am. It was alternative. Day means only the annual exam was offline. Otherwise, all the exams that were held, unit test and half yearly, it was all online.
Okay. So this offline also what exam you gave? The paper was provided at home or you went to school for it?
No, ma'am. I went to school, and then some revisions were held for 3 days, and then we had the exams.
Acha. So other things could be taken care of, but the spellings of this Devanagari script must have been a bit difficult for you.
Yes, ma'am.
See, so only that is to be taken care for you now, but others you have already taken care. So continue doing like this only.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So otherwise, Shreyans, what is your daily schedule? What do you do when you don't have any school? What used to be your schedule in lockdown when schools were not working full-fledged?
Ma'am, when the schools were not means it was virtual, so my daily schedules means was I wake up in the morning and I had a maths class at
Okay.
6:40 a.m.
Oh, so
So I
early.
yes, ma'am, it was so early. I did the class and then I got assignments in every class.
Oh.
So I did the assignments and then 40 minutes break was there. Then again some classes were there till and it ends around 12:15. So after that I used to watch some cartoons because I believe that seeing cartoons protect means doesn't uh, ma'am what I can
I
say.
can understand. You meant to say that you need that breaks.
Yes, ma'am.
You
After
got that
break
breaks
means
by seeing
cartoon
cartoons.
refreshes our mind,
Yes.
and if we are doing anything continuously and the cartoons, then it will means you will be in laughing mode and you will feel something good. As in the lockdowns, everything is sad, so I watch cartoons. That's why I feel happy. Then I used to do 20 20 20. In that. After every 20 minutes when I am using an electronic device which hacks which can damage my eyes, so I used to after 20 minutes I just look after my window for 20 seconds for 20 feet.
Ah, that is great. This is a nice. I was also thinking that in our sessions, let's have some eye exercise before we start the session. How do you think? Will it work?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
So let's start doing that eye exercise thing from tomorrow itself in our all the sessions.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, I'll if you join in the starting, do remind me to do that. We'll start doing that
Okay,
eye
ma'am.
exercise thing. You know, that will
Okay,
help
ma'am.
like moving your eye circles, rubbing your hands, putting on your eyes. This can really help us, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, you should because now everyone has got tied to this technology. We don't have any other option. We have to learn through this only. So let's implement something like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, like when you are having vacations, what do you do?
Ma'am, in vacations, I woke up around 9 to 10. Then I used to take bath, study sometime, and then I watched some cartoons or for television for some time, and then I used to again study, and then I ate my lunch. Then I used to took a nap around 30 to for 30 to 40 minutes, and then I used to means play somewhere around in my campus of the house, and then I means I see some plants in the garden so that it can protect my eyes. And then in around 7 to 9 I used to do classes of an academy and self study also, and then I ate my dinner, and that's
So in
ended my
vacations
day.
also you used to study.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you generally which subject you used to study in vacations?
Ma'am, my brother is there, so he told me that if you don't study any subjects daily, but you should at least study science and maths daily because they are the most important subjects.
Okay, so you used to study in science and maths daily. That's
Yes,
nice.
ma'am. And then
Good.
alternative day, English, Hindi, and the other day, SST.
Good. So you in the vacations you started studying for the next coming up year, right? This is what you
Yes,
started
ma'am.
doing. That's great. This was
Yes,
helping
ma'am.
you to even to be in touch with studies and have the practice of it and make your base concrete base to create the concrete base. That is very nice. This is why I can say you have scored so well. So next time I want you to concentrate on Hindi also. Check about the spelling so that you'll be able to score well over there,
Yes, ma'am.
isn't it? So
Yes, ma'am.
Shreyas, do you like to play sports?
Yes, ma'am. I love to play cricket.
So you missed that during this lockdown?
Yes, ma'am. I missed a lot. So now when the matches were there, I was very happy that there is a platform of entertainment in this lockdown also.
Okay, but what about you personally playing a sport? That is a sport which you love. Okay, but what you love? Do you play cricket? Do you go for some practice of
Yes,
cricket
ma'am.
or something like that?
No, ma'am, I don't go to any means institution, but I know to play cricket. I and my younger brother, we both play together
Okay, so
cricket.
any other game wherein you used to go regularly for that classes or something like that? Any extracurricular activity
No,
which you
ma'am.
use? No extracurricular activity?
Ma'am, I
Dancing,
just
break dance.
went I know a little bit martial arts,
Wow,
uh, and that's only.
that's all. Okay, that's nice. Shreyans, you did not tell me from where are you from?
Yes, ma'am. I am from Patna, Bihar.
Acha, you're from Patna, Bihar. That's great. That's great. So it was really nice, Shreyans, to have you over here. I really enjoyed chit chatting with you. I was just, I had never seen you. So whatever messages you used to write in chat box, I used to imagine, okay, Shreyans will be like this. And you used to come with some ID Bharti, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And I used to call you, and then Saksham used to tell me, "Ma'am, he's Shreyans, not Bharti." He used to get more than you. He used to get angry that I'm calling you with the name of Bharti. So I guess
Yes,
he's
ma'am.
your best friend. I guess so. He only, in fact, recommended me that, "Ma'am, he's."
Yes, ma'am.
In fact, he would have told, "Na, ki, ma'am, take mine," but he did not tell his name. He told me your name. He is
Yes,
really
ma'am.
a
I
sweet
asked,
friend.
is your also coming? So he said, yeah, I am also trying that. Mine will also, but first is important of yours. So first your will be done.
You both have never met, right?
No, ma'am, we haven't met any time.
You both are in different cities. Yes, he's from Bangalore and in Bangalore and you are Indore. Sorry.
No, ma'am, he is from Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh, Indore. He's from there. Indore is in Madhya Pradesh. So he's from
Yes,
there
ma'am.
and you are from Patna. See, you got a virtual friend over here.
Yes, ma'am.
And in fact, a very virtual best friend. What you got? So, what do you
Yes,
think?
ma'am.
What was the good thing about the lockdown? Is there any good thing which you learned or which you gained, which you would have not gained if there would have been no lockdown?
Yes, ma'am. Means the lockdown has damaged the learning of students also, but were some advantage that, like, the school gave assignments. So before that, some students didn't know what is PDF, how to make that. So that PDF, when they were not uh, able to contact with their friends, they made friends virtually. They talked, they and they became best friends, and like they means they performed like that there is no lockdown. They all are in school, fun school, and they are enjoying their learning.
Isn't it? So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
even gave you lot many virtual friends. You must not have ever thought now that you'll get a friend from Madhya Pradesh and you'll be so good
No.
friend with him wherein you have never seen. I also never thought that I'll be able to meet kids across India like this, isn't it? Like there are advantages also, right? I
Yes,
always
ma'am.
say every coin has two sides, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Heads and tails.
Yes, so this is how we have ups and downs in the life. Even though we have downs in the life by going through this lockdown and this pandemic, but yes, this pandemic has taught us lot many things, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Shaz, it was really very very nice to have you over here. I really enjoyed talking with you. I hope you also enjoyed chit chatting with me.
Yes, ma'am.
You were like looking me. You were able to look me from the day one, whenever you joined, because I was there in screen. But
Yes, ma'am.
we always used to wonder how you kids look. It was really nice, Shreyans. Thank you so much. Looking forward to have so many more sessions with you all. So we'll come up
Yes,
with
ma'am.
more sessions also. We have Learner of the Week. We have Zoom meets, monthly with Zoom meets, which we have. So maybe we'll meet again over there. We
Yes,
even
ma'am.
have Cracking Combat. I'm looking forward to you see over there also. Like I had
Yes,
session
ma'am.
with Rishika for cracking
Emerge.
Emerge. I have had
Yes.
session with Utkarshita for Tuesday toppers. Today I have you. Let's see coming up sessions which are the other buddies I'll be able to meet like this. It was really nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Shreyans.
Ma'am, you should not tell me thank you. First of all, I should thank you for inviting me in the Zoom meeting so that everyone could know me and what were my daily schedule. So, first of all, I thank you.
So sweet of you, Shreyans. Really sweet of you. So let's meet soon. Tata.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Sayonara.
Sayonara. Bye, guys.